Alright, so what we have here is Chapter 11, Section 3, Geometric Series Notes. And if we can get to it, Chapter 11, Section 4, Infinite Geometric Series Notes. The first thing is, this blank right here says the sum of a geometric sequence. So please write the word sum. So the sum of a geometric sequence is provided by this formula here. S subscript n is equal to the first term value times the ratio between 1 minus the common ratio raised to the n over the difference between 1 and r. Please recognize the numerator is not the same as the denominator. This fraction cannot reduce, mainly because of the exponent n on r in the numerator. Now, how are we going to use this? Well, if we're going to use the formula above, we need to know two things. No, we need to know three things. We need to know the value of n, how many terms are you going to add up, what's the common ratio r, and what's the value of the first term. So those are three things you need to list over here on the left. So n, a sub 1, and r. We can see that the value of the first term is 1. To go from 1 to 2 and 2 to 4, you're multiplying by 2, so r is 2. And it says find s subscript 6, so n is 6. Let's fill in the blanks. S subscript 6 is equal to a sub 1, which is 1, times the fraction of 1 minus 2 raised to the 6th. Using parentheses will be very helpful when replacing r. And so you have 1 minus 2. So we replaced all three things. Now it's your job to simplify. And you're going to have 2 to the 6th. Well, 2 to the 5th is 32. So raising it to one more factor of 2 will double that and give you 64. So 1 minus 64 is negative 63. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So this becomes positive 63.